This is Chippy from Interpad.com. We're at IFA 2010 in Berlin, obviously at the Interpad stand here. Interpad, German company in Cologne, actually not far from our head office, and they've got quite an interesting 10-inch capacitive touchscreen tablet. Let me go quickly through the specs and I'll show you around the device. It's a Tegra 2 platform, capacitive screen, 1024 by 600, Android 2.2 on this. This is a model they're planning to launch in Q4 for $399. No GPS and no 3G on this version, but they're planning what they call a street version, which will have 3G and the GPS in Q1 2011, hopefully January. And the reason they're working on that is because they have to fix the issues that Google has asked for to get the Google license for the Google apps. So what I'm saying is this version doesn't have the Google apps, so unfortunately, no Google Maps, no Google Navigation, no Gmail, no Contact Sync, and all that nice stuff. Having said that, Tegra 2 platform at $399 with a capacitive touchscreen is not too bad a price. Let's just take you quickly around the device. There's a couple of other things I want to show you. There's the USB slave port, HDMI out, headphone, micro SD and DC on that side, microphone on the bottom left, nothing on the right, and on the top we've got a volume and power button. Interesting spec inside this device, 1 gig of RAM, so any of you guys that are interested in hacking at Android, this is looking like a good platform for that. 1 gig of RAM. Also 8 gig of flash installed, or was that 16 gig of flash pre-installed, plus you got your micro SD for another 32 gigs. So actually in terms of platform, this is quite interesting. Weight, I don't have the specs on the weight. Do you have the weight? 700 grams. So yeah, that's about right for a 10-inch device. Obviously auto rotate, and this one's running a fairly stock Android 2.2 auto rotation working there. So as I go through the apps, you'll see no Google apps, but they're pre-installed here, and they are working with a third-party application provider to get a marketplace on this device. But I'm not sure. We're not connected to Wi-Fi here, are we? No. So there's Aldico. I know a few of you will be interested in Aldico, but I can just show you how that's working, and the brightness control is working on the left as well, and of course we're on black on white here. That's quite nice. I mean, 700 grams is a two-handed experience. It's not a one-handed experience like something like the Galaxy Tab, but really nice. And that will be also quite nice for browsing as well. 1024 by 600. Unfortunately, we've got no internet here, but that will be a nice width for browsing, and also a nice speed. Tegra 2 bringing in some nice performance results that we've seen recently. Yeah, so first model out, Q3, Q4 without the GPS and 3G. Second model out, that's the Interpad Street with 3G and GPS and all the Google apps, and that will be 2011, hopefully January, February 2011. So we're with Yilmaz Kilic of Interpad here. Just going to ask him a couple of questions about the Interpad 10-inch. Nice device, but I just want to ask you a couple of things. What type of customer do you think is going to go for this type of device?
Yeah, for this type of device we will use many channels. It will be on the online market and also on the retail market. Many customers in the whole Europe are interested to sell this product, and we will also give the possibility for many channels for this product.
Yeah. Which markets will it be in? Which geographic locations?
I think in Germany we will have 2 different channels for I think Amazon, and this is the strongest market for the online marketing, and maybe one of the famous retail big markets in Germany. I can't say the names right now because we don't sign any contracts, but everybody knows who's the strongest in the retail market, and they are interested in this product.
And just to confirm then, we're looking at Q4, any exact dates yet?
And the end of November, beginning December.
End November, so in time for Christmas, at €399.
Right.
Yeah, and the street version will be coming January, you said, or February?
End of January, beginning February next year.
Okay.
Yeah.
So one last question. Okay. This doesn't have Google apps on it. Why doesn't it have the Google Marketplace, the Google Gmail, the Contact Sync, and those elements?
because the market issues we can't reach technically because we don't have a cam in this device, and also we don't have GPS. But for a solution for this problem, we are creating an own app store for this device, and we will reach the technical issues with our street model. This will also will be licensed next year with the Android market.
Okay, Yilmaz Kilic from Interpad, thanks for your time.
Thank you.